Well, number 3, and you can fill in number 3, God plans restoration. That's what chapter 3 is all about. God plans restoration. Chapter 3 talks about the universal judgment in 1 through 17. It talks about moral declension and physical disaster. It says that the final day of the Lord is coming soon, and the day of the Lord brings with it incredible judgment. It says there that the sun and moon will grow dark in 3:15. The stars will lose their brightness in 3:15. That you must call on the name of the Lord, and that multitudes will be in the valley of decision. It says in 3:2 that God will gather all the nations. He will recompense their sins upon their heads, 3:7. He will judge, 3:12. And he will say, then, in 3:17, you will know that I'm God. That's what God says. Well, letter D, the last verses of this book picture the eternal age. They talk about the millennial blessings that follow the judgment of the day of the Lord. They talk about the land that's freed from wickedness and is again blessed by God.